In this video, I will show you how to reset Porkbun name servers to default. If you changed your name servers to another provider and now you want to bring DNS management back to Porkbun, I'm going to show you how you can reset this. So you want to log in to your Porkbun, you want to navigate to domain management, and here choose the domain. So I have only this one, and you will find the button NS and DNS. So if you click on DNS, you can see that I cannot add new records because I'm using different name servers. So you can either click on yes, please update my domain, or you can just click on this name servers button next to DNS. So you can see I'm not using default name servers. And if you want to use default ones, just click on use our default name servers. It will change. Now click on save name servers. And this is how you can reset Porkbun name servers to default ones. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.